Hello, this video will discuss the best essential oil for the face, plus simple application ideas. I'm so happy to be making this video because improving my skin has been overall the most rewarding way I've ever used essential oils. My name is Amelia, and this is the Essential How-To channel where I love to amplify your sense of feeling good in your home, your health, and your attitude, and share tools to give your daily routines a little lift with the positive effects of essential oils. Everything I talk about today is linked to down below in the description, so check it out. And while you're down there, be sure to hit the subscribe button as well. Essential oils are distilled from nature's best sources for supporting our well-being. For centuries, people have benefited from all sorts of plants: rose petals, jasmine flowers, citrus fruit, or resin from myrrh and sandalwood trees. Essential oils support my skin for so many different things, from diminishing bruises overnight, to stopping itching and calming sunburns, to improving my complexion, and even making blemishes diminish overnight. This video will talk specifically about using 5 essential oils that are best for the face and your daily cleansing routine. Stick around to the end of the video for further skincare recipes to further improve the appearance of your complexion. Let's jump in. I like to search books and online sources that are medically reviewed for information using essential oils. When I look at the best facial oils, there are many that are suggested. There are, however, 5 oils that are consistently discussed. Let's go over those before I show you how to apply them to your face. Before using any of these oils, do a skin patch test on your wrist or inner elbow to make sure you're not sensitive to the oil. And don't use old oils. Purity really matters, so use the oils that you trust. Oil number 1. Geranium. This is a gentle oil, good for all skin types. It conditions the skin and balances the skin's oil production. Oil number 2. Lavender. Overall, a great oil for so many things. Great for all skin types, but especially good for sensitive skin or mature skin types. It can support irritated skin, is non-comedogenic, meaning that it's not going to clog your pores, and its antibacterial properties means it can support skin that's prone to acne. Oil number 3, cedarwood, for normal to oily skin. Anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial make this oil a supportive addition to skin cleansing routines, and especially for those with acne. Oil number 4, rosemary. This improves the appearance of the skin as a refreshing astringent. It balances the oils on the skin and is antimicrobial and cleans your pores. Good for mature skin. It may increase circulation for a healthful glow. Oil number 5. Tea tree. Tea tree is so useful in many ways, but right now, let me talk about how it's good for your face. It's a great toner with antifungal and antibacterial properties and balances the skin's oil production. I've got a quick toner recipe coming up for you that uses this and the other oils. But first, one more oil to suggest that is just hands down incredible for the skin. So oil number 6 is helichrysum. This is an investment, but no other oil gives better results for glowing skin, not to mention making bruises go away and being great for cuts as well. I'm going to leave you a link below so you can read more about this amazing oil and the popular products that it's included in. Seriously, this one is an oil you don't want to ignore if you're committed to having glowing skin. Okay, application. I've got 2 ways to show you how to apply these oils to your face in your daily routine, including that recipe I just referred to. Application number 1, dilute your essential oil with a carrier oil or even your favorite toner or moisturizer. I like to use jojoba oil, but you can try sweet almond oil or fractionated coconut oil or rosehip oil. Simply put a drop of the oil, toner, or moisturizer that you like in the palm of your hand, and then add 1 drop of the essential oil and mix it together, then apply to your face. Avoid your eyes and the inside of your nose. Essential oils like to be varied, so you may try geranium for a few days and then switch to rosemary for a few days. I like to use rosemary or helichrysum in the mornings, and then at night I mix lavender and cedarwood together. That's because of the calming aromatherapy effects that those 2 oils have and help me settle in for a good night's sleep. Sleep is another important part of good skin, just like drinking enough water. All right, application number 2, a simple toner recipe. You can make your own facial toner in a 4-ounce glass spray bottle. To make your facial toner, you're going to take a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, a 1/4 cup of witch hazel, 2 drops of lavender essential oil, 2 drops of tea tree essential oil, and 2 drops of rosemary essential oil. Put the vinegar and witch hazel into the bottle and then add your essential oils. Give it a good shake every time you use it. Spray it onto a cotton ball or a tissue and gently clean your face, avoiding your eyes and the inside of your nose. If you have dry skin, cut back on the vinegar a bit. Keep this mixture out of the sun and make a new batch about every 3 months. Follow the link for more recipes, including face masks and makeup remover. Please hit the subscribe button and see more videos on this channel for how to use essential oils. And I just know they will help you feel great about your home, your health, and your attitude.